That feels nice.
Ruby, Bonnie, snack time.
How are we gonna do this, Bonnie?
Come on, Ruby, Bonnie, snack.
I don't know how we're gonna do this.
I guess I'll try eat some food. It's kind of juicy, but I don't like it.
You're gonna have to try and eat it, Bonnie. We can't let Granny see.
I don't like it, so what am I gonna eat?
You're gonna have to eat cat food. Here you go, Bonnie. Enjoy.
Delicious! Phew!
Was that nice, Bonnie?
That was tasty.
Bonnie, what are we gonna do now?
Ruby, I'm just grooming now.
Grooming? What's that?
What? You don't know what grooming is? It's this.
But that's boring.
Well, I have to do it because cats like to be clean. Time to play.
Oh, what about me?
I want to play, Ruby. Come on. Can you help me out here?
Okay, I'll help you out.
Ruby, Bonnie.
Oh no, Bonnie. Granny's coming. Shh. Be a cat, Bonnie.
Ruby, where did you get that cat from?
Uh-oh.
I'm allergic to cats. Take it away.
But it's Bonnie.
Yes, Granny. It's me.
Bonnie? It's okay, Granny. We can get Bonnie back.
Bonnie, Kitty. Bonnie's a cat.
Yes, Granny.
Ruby, how did this happen? We need to fix this. I got it. It's okay, Bonnie. Oops.
It's the apple guys.
Bonnie, you're back.
No, I'm a kitty.
No, Bonnie, let me show you. Oh, the cat was lighter. Look, Bonnie, who are you?
Yes, I am.
Yay! Oh, we did it!
We'll see